tells you fun things to go and do.
Oh!
This is from the Pokemon Center. They gave it to me and it had some cool pictures on, so I just kept it for you. There's a few things like that where I'm just like, this is cool, I'll just keep Kyoto.
Yeah.
I found this.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Is this for me?
Yeah. But yeah, I saw it and I had
This
to go.
is awesome. This is such a good find. I can't believe you found this.
Yeah, I squealed when I found it.
Oh my
It's a very
God.
quiet bookshop and I'm like,
gosh! I need to buy it! Yes! Oh! Oh! We will buy. There you go.
ready?
Yes!
Still on theme with the foodie.
Food. Oh yeah, it's very food theme. Oh, what are these? Oh my god! Oh!
It's got some cocoa on it.
Gone for the big one. Mmm!
Oh.
Mmm!
Mm.
Mmm! Oh wait! Oh! Oh! Mmm! Mmm! Oh, okay.
Very crispy.
Oh my god, so crunchy. Oh! Oh!
That was good.
God, they're good! Damn! Thank you very much! Oh!
Look at it!
Oh my god! Oh.
That's me in the bookshop.
We just turn into creatures when we're happy.
There's another boy.
Oh, look at the little boy! Fucking cute. Fucking cute. Everything's
Are you ready for the next?
Yes! Yes, I'm ready! I'm ready, give me more. Oh, oh, oh. It's got a ribbon on it. Oh! Oh! Oh, I love it! There you go. What the fuck is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's
That changed from what the fuck is that to oh!
it's just so kawaii.
Ding.
Oh!
More little notes.
Oh! Iviwi. Mofu mofu iwi. Oh! Oh, there's different ones. Oh! There we go. Everything is awesome.
Should we go back to Pokemon for a minute?
Oh, always. I mean, I love Pokemon.
You can close your eyes.
We still haven't had. We still haven't had the thing that I know you bought me.
Oh, maybe.
Oh!
Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards.
Oh, okay, we did that next. Here we go.
Silent gremlin noises. Yes! Yes! Smell it. I'm smelling it.
Gotta keep it dry.
Whoa!
Oh. Good, because we've got another one.
Yes! Oh my god, it's like a cute love heart. What? Oh. I want to smell it. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that is so good.
Oh, that's like...
That is rose.
Oh, good crinkles. We got
Oh.
ASMR in.
Oh,
That smells
rose
really
and
good.
oh, it's got love heart on the bath bomb. Oh, oh my! Ready? Cheers. Oh, it's just beef hula hoops. Oh, smells like cake. Corn. It's sweet corn. Oh my god! Wow! That is so strong. It's like I've just. Oh my god. This is the best best way of having sweet corn.
Fondling.
Ah! Are they hair clips?
Yep.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god, it's really cute. It's a Pocopia shirt. Wait. Where are the scissors? No, I'm joking. Yes. Oh! 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 New card! New card!
Oh, yeah,
new
yeah,
card!
that one.
New card! Never seen! Didn't know this existed. What? Oh. Oh.
Looks like he's in a haunted mansion or
He's,
something.
oh my god, I've never seen this card before. Ah! I thought I had them all! Okay.
There's so much stuff.
Happy gremlin noises. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
so
so much. Honestly, I